Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn some of very common fruit names in German language. I will be giving some important tips throughout the video. For these useful tips, please watch the video till the end. Let's start. Our first fruit name is Apfel. Apfel, which means apple in English. Let's continue with the second fruit, that is banane. Banane. Banane means banana in English. Our next fruit is orange. Orange, which means orange in English. You can see spellings of both these words are same, but the pronunciation is different in both languages. Now move to the next fruit, that is mango. Mango, which means mango in English. Next fruit is wassermelone. Wassermelone, which means watermelon in English. And other fruit is Weintrauben. Weintrauben, which means grapes in English. Next fruit is ananas. Ananas, which means pineapple in English. That is the most common fruit, birne. Please repeat after me. Birne, which means pear in English. Now move to the next fruit, aprikose. Aprikose, that's the German word. In English it is called apricot. Apricot. Our next fruit is himbeere. Himbeere, which means raspberry in English. Raspberry in English. Next fruit is pfirsich. Pfirsich, which means peach in English. Next is pflaume. Pflaume, which means plum in English. Let's have a look at the next fruit, that is citrone. Citrone, which means lemon in English. Our next fruit is Zoya Kirsche. Zoya Kirsche. Zoya Kirsche means sweet cherry in English. Sweet cherry in English. Next is kiwi. Kiwi. Kiwi is also called kiwi in English. Spellings and pronunciation of both these words are same. Granatapfel. Granatapfel. Granatapfel means pomegranate in English. Next is melone. Melone. Melone is called melon in English. Other one is avocado. Avocado, which means avocado in English. Next fruit is erdbeere. Erdbeere, which means strawberry in English. Our next and the last fruit is dattelpalme. Dattelpalme, which means date palm in English. Now let's review all those fruits that we had just learned. First fruit is Apfel. Apfel. Here A alphabet gives the sound of A in German language, that's why it is called Ap. And E gives the sound of A, that's why it is called Fel. Apfel. Next fruit is banane. Banane. Here A gives the sound of A, that's why it is called bana. And E gives the sound of A, that's why it is called ne. Banane. Third fruit is orange. Orange. R gives the sound of F in German language, that's why it is called orange. Orange. Next is mango. Mango. Here A gives the sound of A, that's why it is called mango. Another one is wassermelone. Wassermelone. Here E gives the sound of A at the end, that's why it is called melone. Now move to the next one, that is Weintrauben. Weintrauben. Here comes the combination of a, u of German language that gives the sound of au, like Trauben, Trauben. Weintrauben. Full word is Weintrauben. Next fruit is ananas. Ananas. Here comes three alphabet, same alphabet like A, that gives the sound of a, and it is called ananas. Ananas. Next fruit is bigne. Bigne. Here R gives the sound of L, that's why it is called bigne. Bigne. Our next fruit is apricose. Apricose. Here S gives the sound of Z in German language, that's why it is called Kose. Kose. Apricose. Another fruit is Himbeere. Himbeere. Here again R gives the sound of L, that's why it is called Himbeere. Next fruit is Pfirsich. Pfirsich. 12th fruit is Pflaume. Pflaume. Here again comes the combination of a, u of German language that gives the sound of au, like Laume. Pflaume. Now move to the next fruit, that is citrone. Citrone. Z gives the sound of S, that's why it is called citrone. And other fruit is Zoya Kirsche. Zoya Kirsche. Next is kiwi. Kiwi. And other one is Granat Apfel. Granat Apfel. Other one is melone. Melone. 18th is avocado. Avocado. 19th is Erdbeere. Erdbeere. Now move to the 20th and the last fruit, that is called Dattel Palme. Dattel Palme. Viewers, I hope this video will help you out in learning German fruits. That's the end. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Bye bye.